Made a nice move off this bottom from this bear market. It's up, wow, it's up a lot. 6.5x almost. Beautiful. Jeez, oh man. Yeah, if you were lucky enough to get in down here at the bear market bottoms down here, especially down here, $9.50. What a buy that was. I mean, geez, if Solana makes a run, you know, the projected price for this bull run, you know, is up over $1,000. That's pretty crazy. Isn't it? That is pretty crazy. That's you know, roughly a 10x from here. All right, from the last bull run, we are at, let's see where we're at as far as the Fibonacci retracement goes. You know, not even at a 382 yet. You know, you would expect it to get up into these levels right up here at least for a retracement up to 164 to 186. That would be a normal retracement area. But let's zoom in here and take a look a little bit closer and see what's going on here, okay, with this thing. All right, looks like it's making another push up here, possibly a wave 4 pullback and a 5th wave up. All right, now if we look at the weekly RSI, the weekly RSI is just turning up. All right, now we do have, so far we have a lower high here that could turn into some bearish divergence there on the weekly, considering that we're almost taking out this high right here, okay? You can see it down here. We're just below the moving average down there on the RSI too. But we just turned up a 23 and a 19. On the monthly, we are at a 98.13. We just flipped bearish on the monthly. 98.1 and a 98.7. Okay, now that can turn around real quick. The daily, right at the top, a 100 and a 96. The 12-hour, we're at a 93 and a 92. We're still bullish. Did we have any bearish divergence on the daily? No. Okay, the 8-hour is turning back up a 70 and a 57. And your 4-hour is at a 79 and an 82. That is actually rolling over a little bit right now. Okay, and let's see here what we got. Got a little bit of bearish divergence there on the 4-hour. Okay, and it can take out that easily. It's still above the moving average as long as it sets a higher high here on this RSI. That'll take that bearish divergence out. Now, this thing is obviously holding trend so far. You know, if we take a trend line up through here, obviously still holding trend very nicely. Okay, got a little bit of a fake out to the downside there, and it grabbed it back, and it's running right up here. Now the measured move for this thing, you know, if it goes up one more shot here, a 5th wave, if this is a 5th wave up, the measured move for that thing would be up at, what about 119.52. All right, we got up to 119.52 would be the measurement for this extension right here. Okay, now obviously Solana, this thing is a monster. All right, in the bull run, as long as Bitcoin doesn't go up and hit that 702 here and have a major retracement, you know, right, it's getting very, very close, guys. Just over 53,000 is that 702 retracement, 702 Fibonacci level. Now I know everybody out there screaming, you know, bullish, bullish, bullish because we broke the 618. We still have the 702 to take out. All right, now if this is a 5-wave up move for Bitcoin, the measured move for this move right here is up to about 54.7. All right, that's right just above the 702. Okay, so it could peek through the 702, get everybody all pumped up, and then if we have a pull down, it's coming down to about 35. And quite honestly, I'm kind of hoping it does. Major sale on altcoins if that happens. All right, so I'm kind of rooting for that, because I know after that bottom comes in that that this thing, the Bitcoin's gonna bounce and take right off. Okay, that's a guarantee. That's what happened in 2019. Ended up having a 50% retracement, and then it took right off from there. All right, now, like I said, this thing is right up there. right up at that 786. Looks like it's wanting to push higher. Okay, so far, you know, it poked through that 786, which normally means higher prices. It could pull back here down to this trend line and still bounce right off of it. As long as it keeps trend here, this thing is still in an uptrend. But Solana's looking great, you know, looking for that 119 next. That's the next price target. And then we could possibly be taking out, you know, this high over here at 126. So keep an eye on this thing. Solana is looking great. All right. Have a great day, everybody. Please hit the like and subscribe. Be back with you soon.